Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the text color in Capcut. Let's begin. Changing the text color in Capcut is an easy process that can make your text stand out, match the theme of your video, or create emphasis on key points. Whether you're working on a social media post, a YouTube video, or even a creative project, customizing text color can enhance the visual appeal of your content. So how can you change the text color in Capcut? It's kind of simple because all I have to do is open the Capcut app, and I want you to click the new project if you haven't already to begin your work and start from scratch. But if you have your project already in place, just click on it to begin editing. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific file in place. All right, so right now it's lacking a text. So for you to be able to change the text color, first is there are a couple of ways to do that. Number one option is going to the text option. Of course, you can type in your text. For example, we're going to be putting in deep lapse. I'm going to drag this text right here. You see, it's the native color is going to be like yellow. Now go to the styles. You would notice that you have all of these plethora of options to choose from. You can hover to the color that you like, or the color that best represents your identity, brand, or logo. All right, it's up to you. So these are going to be one of the options to change the text color. All right, and then once you pick the right color, because different color can set the mood of your video, whether it's fun, serious, energetic, or calm. Let's say I'm gonna choose this, maybe this one. Click the check button, and you'd be able to change the color. It's kind of easy. Now you also have an option for the stroke. The stroke is kind of like you see that it's kind of like a grid or a border for your text. You can also choose a different color for that. You see this? So you have all these options for you. All right, so it's up to you. You can be creative. You're not limited. That's one way for you to change the text color. Another option is you would notice that on the top right corner, you have like all these tiles. You can choose from the template section if you don't want to manually change the text color. You can choose from any of the following options here. It's up to you. For example, we're going to be choosing this one. So there's a lot. All right, so there's a lot. Maybe we're going to be choosing this. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller for you guys to see it. Once you're happy with that, click the check button. And let's try to move this clip from the very beginning so that they matches the end right here. We're going to delete this one. So we're going to the overlay, and we're going to move this right here so it matches. And let's play it through from the very beginning. And as you can see, we were able to manage to create and change the text color. Once you're happy with this, click the export button on the top right corner to send it to your client, or maybe create a copy of your own, and that's how you change the text color. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.